Boomhauer 69 here. Got right here the Shark Mouth Tinkerer. It comes with a small knife blade, flat-headed screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, regular size knife blade, a little sewing needle pick thingy, a flat-headed screwdriver. Comes with the toothpick on one side and tweezers. Again, this is the Shark Mouth Tinkerer made by Victorinox. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video about this product right here, head on over to Boomhauer 69's channel at youtube.com. Links will be in the description as well as in the comment section.